Most campaigns work the same way: one page, one goal, and one audience, the people you can already reach. Peer-to-peer fundraising changes that your supporters create their own fundraising pages, each with a personal goal and their own story, and each one asking the people they know. Every gift still counts toward your campaign: one goal, many messengers. On this campaign, 5 supporter pages brought in $4,800 of the $5,600 raised. Most of it came from their networks, not from the main page. Here's one of them. Beatrice has her own page, her own goal, and her own donors. 8 people she invited herself. And it still rolls up to Run for Hope. So let's turn this on for your campaign. In the Campaign Builder, open Settings, then choose Ambassadors and Peer-to-Peer Fundraising. Open the Peer-to-Peer Fundraising section. Switch on Allow Peer-to-Peer Fundraisers for this campaign. That is the master switch. Charitable points out what is missing right away. Peer-to-peer is on, but there is no Fundraise button yet, so nobody can start one. We will come back to that. First, choose who can fundraise: individuals on their own, teams and their members, or all of them. Let's allow all. You can also list each team's members on their team page. Now decide what your ambassadors control. Their page title can be built from their name automatically, or they can write their own. Do the same for their goal, their story, their photo, and an end date. Turn on what you want them to personalize and leave the rest to your defaults. Save the campaign. Now back to that notice. Supporters still need a way in, so click Add Fundraise button. Charitable switches to the design view and highlights the Fundraise button field. Drag it onto your layout right below your Donate button. It picks up your campaign's own button color, so it matches Donate without any styling work. Save again. And there it is on your live campaign page: Donate and now Fundraise. When a supporter clicks it, they are asked to create an account, and then they build their own page. That is where we pick up in the next video. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.